Hi everyone, I will show you how to use Blue Willow in Discord. Now, all you have to do is to log into your Discord account that looks like this, and then click on Create Server that you can see on the left corner of your screen. And you can now choose like that, and then you can tap Choose to create my own and select for me and my friends. So once you're done with that, you can now start creating the name of your choice and tap create. Then click the blue willow icon on the left corner and select from rookies. Now once you're in there, click the blue willow button or icon. Now click on add to server and then add from the list of servers. Then choose one you have created, then tap continue. And then click the authorize and check I am a human box. So once it's done, go to the tutorial server hub, and here you need to search something. So for example, on the search bar, we're going to search for a specific image. So for example, an eagle. You have to be patient as you wait for that specific picture to appear. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.